Good day everyone, welcome to my vlog. Oh my god, I wasn't filming, but guess what happened? One of my subscribers or one of my viewers approached me and she said, this is what exactly what she said. She said, by the way, I love watching your vlogs. Okay, we were 10 minutes in the air, then the pilot announced that we need to go back. We don't know what's happening, so we're back here in Papua New Guinea.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until we get the next update from you.
Okay. Okay. This is crazy.
The report issue in the aircraft, the technical issue we have, that's once he's decided what's going to happen, and we know more, we'll decide whether to keep you on board or send you back to the lounge. I apologize for this and bear with us. Thank you.
You guys can hear me? I don't know if you guys can hear me, but what happened was we were in the air for 10 minutes and suddenly the pilot announced to prepare, for landing, and this was, we landed already, but they told us just to stay inside. Yeah, could do me a favor? Could you please ring Aniken? Yeah, but I don't want him waiting around at the Brisbane airport. Alright, but just do double check on him. I mean, just make sure he's okay. Alright, bye. Thanks. What place is that? The one that we're going to switch the train?
Bowen Hills.
Bowen Hills?
Yeah, it's very fun. It's like
And then that's the one, Ipswich.
we just ride that whole
Dito na ako kay Anima.
Nandiyan ka na?
Oo, kahapon sobrang pagod. Nag-train kami para maka-experience ako ng train from airport Brisbane to Ipswich. Dalawang bali train ang sinakyan namin. Tapos 1 hour and I think 10-20 minutes yata ang biyahe namin. Tapos
Mabilis lang naman ang tren eh.
tapos ito ka. It was really, really talagang dumating kami dito 8:30. Si Aniken, tinry niya palang i-drive yung car to Ipswich station. ng train station. Ngayon, hindi na daw nag-i-start yung sasakyan. Diyos ko, nagtawag. Ang hirap pa naman dito ng RICQ, yung nag-help talaga magja-jumpstart ng car.
Rescue.
Diyos
Rescue.
ko, ma, naghintay pa kami ng siguro mga 30 minutes. Kailangan si Michelle biglang to the rescue. Sabi ko, Michelle, anong gagawin ko? Kaya sabi ni Michelle, sige, ipapamember ko na ngayon yung anak mo para pag tumawag ka, actionan kayo kagad. So sabi niya, bayaran mo na lang ako. So, kinuha niya information ni Annie and everything. So, inimember niya si Annie and then, tsaka ako tumawag. Diyos ko po, ma. Grabe. Gabi na yun, sabi ko, Michelle, pag itong sasakyan, sabi na natin, i-jumpstart nila, at hindi nag-start, hindi kami makakauwi kasi wala nang, sarado na lahat, ma, ng 9 o'clock o 9:30 dito sa Ipswich. Sarado na lahat. Tapos, wala nang bus. Uber, nag-aalangan ako kasi may mga bitbit akong bag. Galing pang airport. So, I was really worried. Sabi ko, Michelle, natatakot ako. Ipswich pa naman. First time kong nasa labas kami ng ganung walang katao-tao. Natatakot ako. Sabi ni Michelle, oo nga, nasa Ipswich ka. Ay, may pagka, alam mo na, PNG's mild style yung lugar. Sabi niya sa akin, sige, pinipilit ako ni Dan na, sabi niya, tulungan na kita, mag-drive na ako papunta dyan. Baka nga pag hindi nag-start, paano nga naman kayo makakauwi? So, palabas na siya, nung parating naman yung, ang tawag dito, RACQ. So, dumating na, tapos sabi niya, sige, dyan ka lang sa line. Nung kausap ko siya sa telepono, pakikinggan ko kung anong gagawin and everything. Buti nag-start lang, pero pinalitan yung kasi yung battery talaga sira na, wala na. So, kailangan
Kaya naubos na yung nun.
Yes, so I have to replace it. Kailangan bayaran namin and everything. So, sige, sabi ko, willing ako magbayad, mapalitan lang. Buti may extra siyang dala. May dala-dala siyang yung nag-aayos. Pinalitan, nag-start. Okay na, sabi ko, Michelle, huwag ka nang pumunta and everything. Papunta na talaga siya para i-drive kami, pick upin kami dun sa car park. Pauwi dito sa bahay. And layo pa naman ng bahay niya, 30 minutes away. 40 minutes siya magdadrive. Sabi ko, gabi na, Michelle. Sabi ko, 9. Sabi niya, willing siya kasi nga syempre nag-aalala rin siya. Nag-alala rin si Dan kasi baka nga hindi mag-start yung car. Paano kami uuwi? May malaking maleta pa akong bitbit. Buti na lang talaga naayos ng RACQ. Tapos andyan si Michelle. Inulungan ako. 23 pa lang March.
Ako, Raquel, marami ka pang oras. Ako natutunan ko na rin yung i-relax ko yung sarili ko. Kasi kung magmamadali tayo, magmamadali din tayong mamatay. Ganon yun. Kasi konti-konti ako, iniisip ko nga ngayon, konti na lang yung buhay ko eh. Bakit kailangan kong i-stress? Bahala na kung ano yung mga gawain dyan na hindi ko na kayang gawin. Ay, hindi ko na kayang gawin eh. Anong gagawin ko? Pinitin ko yung sarili ko.
Tapos
ganon din.
Tapos
tumatanda ka na rin.
na rin siya, ma. Anong tawag dito? Nag-ambon-ambon siya kagabi.
Oo. Hindi ka naligo pagka naambunan ka.
Hindi pagod ako talaga kagabi. Matatatakot ako maligo.
Oy,
Sobrang pagod ko.
Babarado yung ilong mo.
Magtitake na ako antihistamine kasi baka mag-continue to hanggang bukas.
Tapos matulog ka. Tapos saka mo ipahinga. Kasi pag hindi mo pigilin mo yan, lalo ka magkakasakit. Kunting nararamdaman ko ngayon, pumunta na agad ako sa ospital eh.
It's a good thing.
Siguro sabi ni Rodel, si mama para yung patingin sa ospital. Oo, may mararamdaman ako eh. Kailangan ko, hindi na ako pipila ng matagal. Aircon pa yun eh.
That's good. That's very plus. Nga pala,
4 na oras pa ako maghantay.
nakita ko yung post ni Joy. It was, I think, I don't know, Yeah, today yata. Ano,
Oh,
sorry. Yesterday yun man na nasa airport ako, nakita ko. Yan pala yung araw na nagpa-doctor si Rodel. Yung picture na yan na pinost niya.
mabuti naman ang padoktor na. Ayaw daw mong magpadoktor.
I'm not sure, hindi ako nag-ask, pero yan, sinabi lang sa akin ni Joy na yan daw yung nagpa-full check-up si Rodel
Ay,
nung araw na
salamat
yun.
naman. Kasi ang makulit din eh. Ayaw din magpa-check up. Una na naman ako ng dugo.
Baka naman masobrahan ka sa, mo mama, kapraningan mong may mga, puro,
Hindi.
puro ano ka na,
Alam
puro,
ko lang yung
tawag
mga-
doon, puro blood test na lang iniintindi mo. Ay ma,
Eh, hindi.
hang on, kamusta si Auntie Cora?
Ay, okay naman siya.
Okay na
Tapos
siya.
naman, nakakalakad-lakad na, tsaka
Ay,
kumakain na naman ng baboy.
That's good. That's good to hear na okay siya.
As usual, gano'n na naman. Pag
Ay,
sinumpong,
Cora.
o di, abay, matanda naman na siya. Masaya na siya sa buhay niya. Hindi naman na kailangan. Si Ate Violet naman, okay na. Nung nasalina ng dugo, nakakalakad na ng maayos.
Oo nga pala, okay na rin sa Auntie Violet.
Oo, ay kasi
Oo,
nga,
Ate
tigas
Violet.
ulo eh. Sinabihan ko na noong ka pa magpalagay ka na ng dugo dahil kulang ka na nga sa dugo. O di ngayon, hindi na sumasakit yung mga tuhod. Naglalakad-lakad na siya.
Magkakapatid na kayong may mga may mga sakit, ma.
Oo nga eh.
Good morning. Okay. I'll make it short. Yeah, yesterday. Pretty interesting. But I got through. Guess what? I think the plane are just too old, guys. Air Niugini, come on. Change it, guys. Change it. We don't know what happened, but they changed the plane. Yes. I don't want to be too nice anymore. Oh, Air Niugini. It just the plane is too old. Unbelievable. It shook me that we have to wait for I think 3 hours before they decided to just okay, we're just gonna put all the passenger on different planes. Come on. They could have do that, you know. I just couldn't film last night because I'm just so tired. What happened was when we hop off, of course, Ipswich station, I went down trying to get our car, and then the car, guess what? It's not starting. It's 8:30. Oh no, actually it was 9:30. Yeah, that was 9:30. Then the worst thing was we are both hungry and thirsty, and there is nothing open. You know, everything is dry. You know, they setting up to close down their restaurants, and it was just like there's no 7-Eleven close by, and I was panicking because I don't know what what I'm going to do. Then of course Michelle, thank you very much, and Dan for always being there for us. Michelle, I rang up Michelle and I asked her, and she said, okay, I know that you're panicking, but is Aniken our member for RACQ? And I said, um, I don't know, maybe. So we checked and checked. I even rang Phil to ask and find out that he's not. I thought he is. So Michelle did all of that online. She helped me to process the membership online by through phone with me and with Aniken, so we can ring up. So it's gonna be, it's easy for us and it's cheaper. I don't know, I think it's cheaper for us to, for a service fee or something like that. So we got through, called the service, and explained them what's happening and blah blah blah. And guess what? I got really annoyed and more scared when they told us that the waiting time is 2 hours. And can you imagine 9:30? That was the time that, and it was almost 10 by the time we reach out to finalizing the service and where we at and everything like that. Oh, and I panic more. My panic mood was just not yelling and screaming, guys. I'm not like that, but I'm just, you know. Oh, I almost cried. I'm a, how do you call it? I'm a pussy cat when it comes to a dark streets, and especially the place that I don't know, I'm not familiar, the areas that I'm not familiar. That's what I'm really freaking out, because it's like goes down. There's no one's there. Like no, I'm used to have like security around everywhere in facilities like buildings or shopping center in Papua New Guinea. I'm talking about Papua New Guinea. There's some security guards everywhere, but God, like I'm back in his Ipswich area. So Michelle was on the phone, and I was like thinking very negative at the moment. She said, calm down. And I said, how about if the car, let's say that these people are coming here to help us and, jumpstart the car. How about the car is not, it's like really, like it's not gonna work. It's not gonna start. What's gonna happen? There's no bus. There's like, I don't like getting Uber at like 11:30 or 12 o'clock at night if we end up on that time, because I got, bags with me and stuff from, all the way from the airport. And I don't like that. I'm not comfortable getting into taxi in the middle of the night. And I got all my gears with me. And I'm not very comfortable. So I was panicking and everything. And Michelle and Dan were so lovely, and they were so worried. I got them so worried. I'm so sorry, guys, because I was panicking. And Michelle said, Dan said, okay, he convinced me, and okay, I'm gonna drive there. I'm gonna push myself I'm gonna drive there and help you out, guys. And yeah, you're right. Probably. How about the car won't start, and what's gonna happen here? You guys won't be home. You guys gonna sleep in the inside of your um, car park area, so it's not gonna be good. So, but luckily, this guy turned up from the RACQ, and he start checking the car and everything. And yes, guess what? The battery is gone. Like we need to change it. So he said, "Look, even though we jumpstart this battery, as soon as you turn off again, it will happen again. So why don't we just go and change the battery? It would last for 4 years, and we also blah 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 this and this." And I said, "Look, okay, change it now." So because I want to go home because I'm really tired. And I said, okay. So that's it, guys. Couldn't film because I'm also not comfortable filming around when no one's around. You know what I mean? I'm not comfortable filming around. Like I said, if I don't know the place or area that I'm at, you know what I mean? Anyway, that's what happened, and we got home around it was 11:45, guys. 11:45. Got home. I couldn't even, brave to go to the shower because I'm just really tired and cold. So I just changed the pajamas and clean my teeth, wash my face, and lie down. And guess what? I lie down and I couldn't sleep. Now I'm still, I feel like I'm a zombie now because I don't have sleep. I'm gonna get ready because actually I just took some antihistamine, non-drowsy, but I feel like I want to go back to sleep. But I need to get the fuel, I need to get some grocery done. Alright guys, like stay with me, keeping up with me, my life here in Ipswich. Day 1, first day of driving with me. Just heading down to Woolies. Amcol is very close here.
Yeah, that's just
Metro station. Just around the corner, like 2 minutes away. That's where I went. Where's your driver license? Okay, good. Riverheart, Parklands.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Gusto ko rin siyang mag-volunteer sa ano ba yung animal POWs? Meron
Yes,
dito eh.
RSPCA.
Yes. I want him to volunteer because
Meron man. Meron.
part of his ano naman eh.
Marami naman.
Kaya nga, gusto ko siya
Hindi ko
mag-volunteer.
alam kung
Hintayin na
dyan-
lang muna natin yung kanyang lisensya be. Kasi
Hin-
kailangan talaga niya yung lisensya eh.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ano dyan sa inyo, sa Ipswich. Pero alam ko sa amin sa parang isang vet na parang community ba vet na yung parang pag community kasi na maliit, ang madali mo siyang i-ano ba? Pasukin. Because it's a small community. Ano sila ba? Very easygoing.
I see.
Makaintindi sila sa mga new na mga baguhan na they have the willingness to accept sa mga ganun na mga bagay.
No, we're actually going down. We're heading down to Costco. We're gonna do some groceries. We need some
She will
meat.
do some groceries. Not really me though. I have enough of stuff in my house.
I thought you said you're gonna grab some meat.
I will. Just a steak because I guess that's the last packet I used last night. Just a steak, and after that, nothing more, nothing less.
Masyadong busy. She's always busy. Kasi, motherhood. Mother stage ang tawag dyan.
Yeah, I'm just imagine you're managing 4 kids. Plus your
Yeah,
husband.
4 kids. Everything. It's on her. Everything. Wow. I'm so proud of you, Bea. And the driving skills? My God, she's got everything in
No, I cannot.
her
I'm
both
still-
hands.
I'm so scared.
No, I am really proud of you, Ben. And also, I admire you how you manage everything, and how do you plan your schedules, and the kids, how do you the way you manage the kids and the way you manage your lifestyle was so, like, believe me. And you still have, not all the time, but you still have a time for friends. Like, Tin, you visit time to time for Tin, alam mo, get together kayo, which is very good. I'm really talaga so impressed. Yesterday, I drove around to her place, even though I am really, really scared, like really scared. I had no idea where I'm going, but GPS is good. It's very accurate anyway. The GPS around here, right? Here in Australia, which is very good. Speed camera, wow. She's doing 100, that's why she needs to focus.
If it's when I normally tell Daniela, Mariana, Daddy, there's a speed camera. Then Mariana would suddenly say, Dad, say cheese. Far out.
Whoa, traffic. May road work pala dito.
We merged. I should have opened my Google Map and I should have used the other way. This is why I hate. And this is the
It's
second.
fine, it's fine.
This is the second time that I get stuck in here because I told myself I should have followed my instinct that I should use the other way, but I said this to myself. I'm like, no, I'm just gonna take the freeway, And I didn't open my Google Map, and then there you go. I'm here again, stuck with this bloody traffic. I really hate this. I just don't like it. It's just.
I know. Look at that.
Yung baba ko, That's the thing I'm gonna figure it out. Don't worry. Are you in a hurry? By the time we're gonna arrive there, I'm just gonna ask the people there, what are you doing here, guys? Well, you didn't send any notice to my boss Mary, because my boss Mary would like to know what's really going on in here, because we're gonna stuck in traffic, and I didn't update her. I didn't say anything that there will be a traffic upcoming to our way to Costco.
See, you need to merge. You have to put your indicate.
how
We
could
have
I
to
merge?
merge.
No, why should I go merging when
Oh, we're not going. We're not turning right. Are we turning left?
we will be turning
Okay,
left?
all right. Okay,
That's
I see.
why
I get it. I get it.
Myself in
All right.
this
Sorry.
area.
I'm just,
If I'm
asking.
going to
Because everybody's merging
I don't know.
to the right. See, some of them merging to
Oh.
the left.
Yeah, but they're just those bloody impatient people. Bloody impatient drivers. Okay, you guys go. Because I didn't know.
Oh, he doesn't know what he's doing. Look, he wants to. This guy is still in the middle.
Yeah, that's okay because he's trying to be an Esme. Oh, what's going on? How far is the line? Like, oh. I didn't know this. Wala ka na. Basta ka na. Naayos na ba yung dishwasher
Di pa. Pupunta pa lang. Na-email na ni Phil.
Kasi,
Kasuinan.
kasi na alam mo bakit?
Oo.
Nandyan ka eh.
Oo.
Sinabi nila nandyan yung ano ko.
Pupunta daw.
Kasi nandyan ka. Aanuhin nila yan kasi nandyan ka.
Ano to, pang laba?
Oo.
Kailangan ko din. Mahal naman, 27.
Uy, ang dami yan. Uy, ang cheap yan. Look ka. Mamahal mo siya?
Hi. How are you, darling? Hey. Oh, sorry.
He can't get out. Nana said, stay put.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a
Darling,
good day.
Nana said, stay put. Be good to Nana. Alright?
Oh. Oh, that's so sweet. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm sorry, darling.
Perfect ka pang Perfect ka pang daycare.
Why?
Maano ka sa bata. Makuano ka sa bata. Maano ka sa bata.
Is that your favorite? Can you show it the camera, please?
This is
Yeah.
my favorite. 3 pups. I'm just, you know what? I'm going to hide this at home. No one can eat it.
Buwang ka.
Because sometimes it's just like, I went out,
Yeah.
grabbed some ice cream.
Yeah.
All my favorite. And then later on when I want to eat, I told Dan, I want to eat. I told Dan, nasaan na yung ice cream ko? Sabi lang ni Dan, Gonski.
Oh, we're in the chili fridge. I need more lettuce. Ay pala na binibili ko.
Uy, ang sarap. Marunong ka magluto nito?
Oh.
Tutuluan kita. Yan. Masarap yan. Yan.
Ang dami din.
Yan ang i-repack mo. Yan lang ang kunin mo at saka steak niya. Yan yung mga manipis.
Ang stir fry.
Oo, dapat kunin mo lang.
It's $39. And the ribs. Which one?
Ay, hindi yan gusto niya. Ano siya,
Hey.
chop steak? Diba?
Oo.
Hindi yan. Hindi yan yung gusto niya. Hindi yan.
Wala na.
Sa kabila, uy.
Oh my God, look how big it is. So big. Angus T-bone steak. Mahal yan, 4 na peraso. Kasi syempre, yan, Angus yan eh.
Ito muna, crispy lang. Tiki, wala na yung...
Wala yung steak, be. Okay. In Costco, they have a free sample food. So if you're hungry and if you want some lunch, come here at Costco, guys. Look, Michelle. Michelle got me a. Is it a lamb or beef?
I don't care. Something that I put in my mouth. And
So good. I think it's a lamb.
I'm so annoyed. I really get annoyed.
There's no.
Balikan ko muna, may chicken na lang.
Okay. Look at this guy. This is Aniken's favorite. I'm gonna get one. I hope all of these are fitted on his, what is this? Fridge or freezer. Thank you. Huh? Oh, sorry. You want one? Yeah, mas marami to.
Wala na, I give up na. Wala sila.
Yay!
Halika na.
Free food.
Kakahiya ka, pangatlo mo na lang.
She said she's embarrassed. Why do you need to embarrass? It's free. It's my third cup.
Kuha ko ng chicken.
Yes. Yum. Hungry ka na, be? Social. We are done. Actually, not really. I'm waiting for Michelle. She's getting a milk. We are at Coles. Coles. I think after today, we won't be seeing each other for like 2 weeks because she'll be busy, I'll be busy around, and also we're gonna be very busy hunting for a job. Wish us luck, guys. Wish us luck. And I'm gonna go around on Annie's how do you go, that neighborhood. I just want to check it out, what's in, what's around, and also looking for a Catholic church. Hopefully I can find one just nearby, or we'll see. I think I should do that, print off my resumes and Aniken's resume and just hand them in to anyone, like to any shop around here. There she is. Time to go.